Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious and popular Sri Lankan street food, Koththu. Let's get started. Ingredients. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. Half a pound of Koththu roti, cut into small pieces. 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of diced tomatoes. 1 cup of diced cabbage. 1 cup of diced carrots. 1 cup of frozen peas. 1 cup of sliced bell peppers. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, optional. 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes, optional. Preparation. Now let's get started with the preparation. In a large wok, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion is translucent. Next, add the cumin, coriander, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Stir well to combine. Add the chicken and continue to stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Add the diced tomatoes, cabbage, carrots, frozen peas, sliced bell peppers, and Koththu roti. Stir well to combine. Add soy sauce, fish sauce, if using, and chili flakes, if using, and stir well. Cook for about 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and the Koththu roti is well mixed with the other ingredients. Serve hot and garnish with chopped cilantro or green onions. Host, and there you have it, a delicious and easy Koththu recipe. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today, and we'll see you next time.